Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are going to establish the communication between the API and our Flutter application. But before we get started, we have to break our task into 3 or 4 different phases. So the first phase will be to import the necessary packages which we will be requiring to run or to fetch the information from the database with the help of the API which we have just created using PHP. And therefore I have written a detailed guide explaining how can we do the entire thing step by step. So let's get started. At first, let me go to one website called academy.weavertap.com and let me hit enter. The next step would be to go to the blog section, and recently I have published this blog. Okay, so the first task which we have to do is to import these 3 packages. The name of the first package is material.dart, but fortunately we are already using material.dart to design the UI of the package. Next, once we import the material.dart, the next thing which we have to do is to import the HTTP package. So what is HTTP package? With the help of HTTP package, we will be managing the HTTP request. Since our API is on a web server, so we have to use the HTTP request. And if you want to explore this package in details, then just click on the reference link and it will take you directly to that page of the package, Flutter package, which have all the explanation in the screen. Okay, so if you want to know more about this package, you can just click on the reference link and it will take you directly to this package. So once we import the HTTP package, and the last thing would be to import the convert package, which will convert the JSON data, and we will be getting the JSON data from the API. It will convert the JSON data into the readable data needed by the Flutter application or into Dart. Okay, so let us get started. At first, let me go to material.dart, and we have already imported the material.dart package. The next package which we have to import is the convert package. So I will click on the reference link and then I will simply import the convert package. Let me paste it here. Once you import the convert package, the next thing would be to import the HTTP package, and if I click on the reference link, I will be able to create the HTTP package, import the HTTP package, and let us also import the HTTP package. So we have 2 new packages here, and now we have to go to our pubspec.yaml page, and here we have to mention the packages which we have imported. So how can we do it? We have to go to our HTTP request page once again, and now we have to go to our just click on installing, and we have to copy this command and we just have to paste it here and then click on pubget. So if you are not familiar with these commands, then you can simply follow the instructions which is mentioned here. Okay, home.dart. So we have imported the HTTP package, and convert package is a part of Flutter core file itself. So now as we have imported all the necessary packages, so the next thing would be to fetch the data using API and with the help of the HTTP package. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for further updates.